You guys remember before we place an order on this platform, we had 1,958 followers, right? And we still have 1,958 followers. For us to know if these followers have started coming in, all we need to do is for us to refresh. So how then do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see currently we have 2,075 followers, right? Guys, in this video, I want to share with you guys the best way to boost Instagram followers, right? And all you need to do is to come to this platform called boostthatthing.com, right? As you can see right here on the screen, the first thing you need to do is to create an account, right? And do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video. The link to this website is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link in the description and it will take you to the website, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video. So firstly, let's come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? We don't need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will bring you to this page. Create a username and create an email. Put your email right here, put your password right here, and confirm your password, and click on the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So I need to log into my account to show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, all we need to do right now is for us to actually come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on the category, you will see different Instagram followers and all these things. So but I like using this particular one, Instagram followers or non-drop new premium. Can you see Instagram followers non-drop new premium? I just need to select it, then come to this service right here. Can you see the service? Just tap on it and select preferable service. I like using the first one, so I'll just need to select the first one. The read description is actually what describes the service, right? It's important for you to actually read description in order for you to know what you are actually doing, right? So next we need to do is for us to come to this link. This link is where you post your profile link, right? So let's go and copy profile link, right? I want to boost this particular Instagram account, and as you can see, before we started, we have 1,958 followers. It's important for you to note because we are going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. So for me to copy the link, I just need to come to these three dots right here. Can you see these three dots? Just tap on it and come to this copy link right here and tap on it, and my link is copied, right? We don't need to come back right here and paste our link and come to this quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want. In this video, I want only 200 followers. I don't need to insert 200 and come to this submit right here to submit the order, and boom, right here you can see our order have been received, right? So the next thing we need to do is for us to exercise patience and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we're doing in this platform is not free. We need to pay money for we to actually get them. So how then do we fund account in this platform? Is very simple. All we need to do is to come to this three line up here, and you see the three line, just tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, it will bring you to this place here. All you need to do is to come to this place, the root amount, and put the amount you want to actually pay, and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on the pay, right, GrabPay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card or bank transfer or with bank? If you select debit card, put your card details right here, click on pay, and the payment will go. If you select bank transfer, right, read all these things that they wrote right here, and tell them that you understand the instruction, and click on this continue right here, and GrabPay is going to provide account number that you are going to be making payment to. All you need to do is to make payment to this account number. You don't need to do anything. Automatically this payment is going to reflect to your GrowBetter balance, right? Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform. So for us to actually confirm this followers has already started coming in, so let's go back to Instagram to confirm. You guys remember before we place an order on this platform, we had 1,958 followers, right? And we still have 1,958 followers. For us to know if these followers have started coming in, all we need to do is for us to refresh. So how then do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see currently we have 2,075 followers, right? You can see easy peasy. So this means that these followers already started coming in, right? You can see it's very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this platform, boostthatthing.com. Just do exactly the same thing I did. The link is in the description. Tap on it and it will take you to the website. Create an account and go and boost your Instagram followers, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.